experience Hanoi like never before in this immersive 360-degree VR PoV tour. Buckle up for this 8-day Vietnam adventure.
Oh my gosh!
Parang mas scary yung pababa, di ba?
Oo, ano dyan? Hi guys, so we're traveling back to Sapa.
Ay, it's not that foggy.
Parang okay lang na umalis na tayo, no? Tsaka nagwala yung fog.
Ayan, parang mas maganda yung pababa. Looks a lot better.
So, pababa na kami guys. Ito yung cable car. Kalahating oras kami pumila sa taas. Ito yung nilakad nila. Pero ba ito?
Looks like to be the last line.
Mainit na dito.
They have a lot of price services here.
Parang batan. Ifago, sandal na naman.
We're here at the Katkat Village. We're just buying a ticket here. It's 150K. But the Trider slide is 40K. Yeah. It's raining a bit. Oh, there they go. It was a fun experience. I was thinking it was just a light ride, but the middle you kind of jumped a bit, and when I landed, it actually twisted. Morning, it's our last day here in Sapa. Overall, it was a wonderful experience. The wonders of the very nature, the creation of God is just very visible, especially as we went up to the summit. It was my first summit, by the way. So the place has its own charm if you want the mountains, the fog, the experience of a one-of-a kind. This place is for you. Before we close this day, I do want to encourage you that God loves you, whatever you're going through. Just ask His help. He will see you soon.